Meron ka pa bang is there anything that, like, like that you have not, or it's already on your bucket list that you haven't checked, or it's not on your bucket list yet that you want to add on?
Siguro sa akin ngayon, I just wanted to design for Anne Hathaway. She's my ultimate like dream muse. So I've worked with so many celebrities, right? But for some reason, the universe still doesn't align us
Hindi kayo
together.
pinagtatagpo ni
Hindi pa
Anne.
kami pinagtatagpo for the last 10 years.
Yes.
So I'm hoping that one day, she's my ultimate muse na parang every time, who is Kenneth Barles as a brand? Anne Hathaway is the face for it.
Galing. We're claiming
Sandali,
it for you.
isa-text ko lang si Anne, ha?
Pakitext nga, Jcas.
We have to make it happen.
Yes.
Busy daw siya.
Busy daw siya. Hayaan mo siya.
At saka na adobo.
Oo. Kumakain ng